The main purpose of the World Kidney Day is to create awareness about kidney disease. And every year we have had a separate theme from 2006 when it started. And this year's theme is preparing for the unexpected and supporting the vulnerable. So what does this theme mean? Now remember 2 years ago we had this COVID-19 pandemic which caused havoc in all the countries. And it was something totally new. None of the countries had prepared themselves for it. And it led to a lot of stress on the healthcare systems in all the countries, including the developed countries as well. And unfortunately, patients who are vulnerable, who have chronic diseases like cancers, like chronic kidney disease, especially chronic kidney disease who require treatment twice a week if you're on dialysis, it became quite challenging to provide those services and taking care of those patients because several facilities had to shut down. Patients were a bit afraid to come to the hospital to get the dialysis. And a lot of patients actually suffered. So there are also the aspects of natural calamities like earthquakes, like what has happened in Syria and Turkey recently, which has demolished quite a bit of infrastructure within those countries. So again, the vulnerable patients who require treatment on a regular basis suffer. The war in Ukraine is also causing a lot of problems for our vulnerable patients. So this year's theme is basically to allow or to create awareness about the governments to now start thinking along those lines and start preparing themselves for any eventualities. Like if there's an earthquake, if there's a natural calamity, or if, God forbid, a war broke out, how would they protect these vulnerable patients so that they continue getting the service that they deserve?